welcome back, guys. This is Maria Vega from the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. So today, just a quick video. I'm in the studio. I just thought I want to do a quick version of what is the FORTNITE Flamenco routine. So I'm going to explain you what is the routine in the video game, and also I'm gonna make my own variation, which will be a bit more doable if you are dancing in your living room or you're just sharing with friends and having a bit of fun. Also, I really want to dedicate this video to my little flamenco dancers at the Oakfield Primary School in the Isle of Wight. I love you all, and this is for you, as I promised. I hope you enjoy it. I love you all. I send you a million kisses. First one. So I hope you enjoy it, and please just let me know in your comments what you think, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to do so. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.